Hello traders, this is a pair Gbpusd and I hope you guys are enjoying the weekend. Let's start with the analysis. This is what is we have in monthly chart. This is the highest range. The higher range is in black and 50% is here. Last week I did mention that this is the 50% and price is just hovering around on the top of the 50%. I would like to show you something which is very remarkable in the monthly chart. First of all, it is if we reduce the range from the higher range. This is the higher range. We reduce it because for the last 14-16 month, the price is moving around here. Before we analyze the current range within the red lines, I would like to show you something. First of all, just above the top red line, we have left some liquidity here or imbalance in the market, which has the market has never addressed. This is the area the market has never addressed. And on the bottom red line, if you see, then also there is a imbalance which has been created 16, 17, how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 months ago. It created this imbalance and it has never been addressed. So far, these are the bigger range, within the bigger range, but these are the two imbalance market has never addressed. Now, I mentioned this guy, this imbalance of the market last week. This imbalance has also never been addressed so far. So this imbalance need to be addressed at the same time. This is just above the middle of the higher range. Now this is the January candle and we have a green and red, but we don't have any double top. That's all from, so the nearest imbalance as per the market flow goes, it's supposed to address this area first, and after that maybe it can go up, or if it breaches take out this liquidity, then it will retest this area of the month. And here you can see that there is no double bottom here which pushed the price up in the month, and there is no double top here which pushed the price down. So we have to find what happened here, this area, which this is the area, what happened that it pushed the price on the downside. And at the same time, we have to find out that what happened in this area and that pushed the price upward and made it bearish again, bullish again. And again, we are seeing that what happened here, we would find it out. Let's move to weekly, and in weekly, you guys can see that apart from our let me take out some of the thing which we don't need at the moment in the weekly. This is the imbalance in the month above our range. This is the range we are working right now, so we don't want it to be appear in any other chart at the moment because this is far above compared to current position, and also the downward downside, this is beyond our range of the current range. So in weekly, if we go here, I beg your pardon guys, this was the candle, and in month we try to address what happened here. So let me enable it in weekly. We remove in daily and hourly, and also if we go to this guy and we need to remove put it in weekly, we remove it in other. So in weekly, you guys can see this area, the double top has been created by this single candle. This if we enlarge it, this is the single candlestick, which red green, and this green red, and we have green red, and it pushed the price back here. But here, after coming here, we don't know what happened because we don't have any double bottom. To have a double bottom, we need red and green, like this guys, red and green, but we have nothing here. So if we go to daily now, you guys can see, let's go to weekly, let's enable it in a little bit in daily. So we can address this area. In daily, we can see it has a double bottom here. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see red, green. It pushed the price, then it came here, retested, failed to break downward, then it started moving bearish. So this is the area in daily which happened, and in this is the area which the double bottom has pushed the price on the top. Now coming back, this top is gone because currently we have a weekly double top here, green red, again green red. So we have the triple top, you can see, in the weekly. So we don't need to consider any further for this weekly double top. It is out of our range, and I would like to remove it. Very simple and easy, no point. So this is the pattern we need to address here. And if we go for the we need this guy to be shown in everywhere. So that is our range. Okay. So in weekly, this is our top and this is the bottom of the range. And here in weekly, we can see that this is the zone which has never been addressed. So this is the imbalance of the market left in the weekly when it came down on the upper side, because rest has been taken out very systematically. This guy has taken out no liquidity, no imbalance here, almost no imbalance here, also taken out here. Now if you guys see very clearly that this is the monthly imbalance we have, and which if we draw in weekly, we have an imbalance from here to here, very little. Can you guys see? From here to here, this is the imbalance we have, and which is very negligible. So we consider the monthly one, we don't need to address that. This is the last week candle, the red one, and here it made a double top. So and now it will come where we don't know. So our previous double bottom was in day, which I have shown you here. This is the guy. So this is the double top in monthly, weekly we have. I will show you, there is a lot of things, so let me explain one by one. So after creating this weekly double top, we have the range from here to here, and 50% is this line is going, which is in the monthly imbalance we have, which we have seen in the monthly. You guys can see this is the monthly imbalance. So going back to daily, here I did mention two things. First thing is this. This is our trend line for the daily trend line. This is our daily trend line, and from the bottom, and this is our daily trend line from the top. Okay guys, I hope it is very clearly mentioned. And this is the weekly imbalance left, which has never been addressed. Now coming back to this area, after making this weekly double top, let me remove this, guys. This is actually what I have tried to show, that this is a very too powerful support and resistance in between which it is running for a long time. Okay guys, that's why I draw these two lines, the boxes, this box and this box. Okay guys, so this is our actual concentrating area. And if we remove, not remove, just hide it from the weekly double top, it will be better to visualize. So let's do it. Let us remove it from daily. Just leave the weekly double top line. So this is a very powerful area which it is going through for a long time. How do we mark it? Let's mark it with this, and let's mark it with this color. We don't use this color for any other reason. So these are the two areas where this resistance is very strong, and this support, it has been hit. This support area has the price has come once, twice, thrice, and again it is coming to the, and it is around 126, 127 1.2614. The range is from 126 to 126.14. So this area is very strong support. It failed to break 1, 2, 3. Now it is time for the fourth time. And I would like to show you guys, if I enable the box of this area, let's enable it in daily and remove it from hourly. Now if we go to daily, you guys can see that this is the box I have drawn in the last week. And my prediction was this, as it is ranging for a long time, so either it will break out of this box and try the same area. If you see, this is the ranging box size, same thing, it will come down like this. So this is one. So let me put it in right context. I am expecting something like this. And on the flip side, if it breaks on the top side, it will do the same here. It will work like this. It will move on the top side with the same range. The range area is like this. Now there is another explanation I would like you to show, so you guys can concentrate what to decide or not. I leave it that up to you, but this is my opinion, of course. So we are seeing that the top trend line, daily trend line, and the bottom trend line is getting squeezed day by day. The gap here was very wide, and due to ranging, the top one is getting lower and lower, and the bottom one is, which creates a pattern which is known as triangle pattern. So if I enable this triangle pattern, it will be easy for you guys to assimilate and understand what is going on. Sorry, I deleted it out of mistake. So let me enable this guy in daily. Well, I'm not going to analyze in 4 hourly right now. Let's see in daily. So within this pattern, you guys can see that this is a triangle which has been created inside this ranging from this it started from here on 28th December for the almost 1 month and 1 week, 5 weeks you can say. So it is, and it is respecting the top trend line, this blue line, very high, and also it is respecting the curve, the down side of the triangle, and this is a breakout pattern. Very simple and easy. It went up on Thursday, 1st February. On 2nd February, it just came down respecting the daily trend line. Also the pattern, it came down. Now what will happen? Question is, what will happen? Now if you guys see, the nearest liquidity we have on both sides. On the top of here, we can see the weekly liquidity or imbalance, whatever you say, from here, and at the same time we have monthly imbalance here, which we have marked it very clearly here, that we have a monthly imbalance has been created, the top of this shadow of this candle and the bottom of this green candle, shadow of this green candle. Can you guys see here the price never came back after this very big bullish candle. The price never tested this area, so this imbalance needs to be taken out. At the same time, in weekly, we have this imbalance has been created here. And considering the current price, if you can see, the current price is here. This imbalance is 459 pips, and this imbalance is 283 pips. So the nearest imbalance will draw the price. This is normally what happens, because it is easier to address the nearest imbalance than a far away imbalance. So keep that in mind. So coming back to daily, this is the situation we have. Yes, sorry to squeeze it so you guys can see the whole thing. So first thing, the price has been rejected by the red trend line, the price has been rejected by the triangle, and the price is knocking on the support area for the fourth time. And if any area which is knocked more than two times, that support becomes fragile, means weak, very weak. So in my opinion, that pound has to come down. And also on the positive side, if it is getting bearish biased, I am telling, because due to this imbalance which has been created in monthly, it has to be addressed, and which is nearer in compared to the imbalance of the weekly. And also, if you guys can see that if it comes down, at least it will come down 50% of it, which is not a matter of joke. It's a very good pips we have, considering the current price is 137 pips, 50% of this box or 50% of this range. So I'm waiting to see if the price break down. Let me fix this. I should be drawing this guy very correctly. Okay, guys. Yes. So you see, it tried to break down here. Here is the thing. I need to redraw, guys. Please bear with me. A little bit high is better. And also this guy needs to be a little bit up. Okay. And this is our whole triangle. Okay, guys. And this guy is the support zone. And when it came to the support, and it has stopped here. So this support needs to be broken, otherwise it will retest here again, or maybe retest this line, then it will come to retest. At the moment I don't see any trade, but if we go to a lower timeline, which is 4 hour, and it is showing the reaction, you guys can see that it is respecting this support. Let me enable this guy in hourly, so you guys will be very clear what I am trying to visualize. 4 hour and the box of the whole range. Where is my box? This is the box. No, guys, let me click the box here. Yes, this guy needs to be shown in hourly. So if we go to 4 hourly, now you guys can see. Okay, guys, so this is the support. It got the support, and immediately the last 4 hour of the last week, it is showing a little bit resistance here with this green candle, trying to move a little bit up, but it has been rejected again. So I am watching now if it breaks this area. If it breaks this area, it will come at least 50% of this box, this guy. Okay, and as we have the imbalance or whatever, the liquidity, the fair value gap, the way you want to define it, it will take out this guy. So wait, as this zone has been tested so many times, 1, 2, 3, and from here 4, and here is 5 in 4 hourly. Let's see some retest here. And if the retest, what I mean is this, it will maybe it will come down and it will make a green candle. Then after that green candle, then it will come somewhere here. This is the most probable trade, so wait for the retest, guys. Wait for the retest. Before retest, don't take any trade, because this zone is very strong, guys, this support. And to be honest with you, let's put the remarks here. If breaks 1.2600, wait for retest, and if retest pass, what I mean by retest pass is that you will not be able to go the price will not be able to go with a green candle more than 1.26. That is the retest. Go for short. Simple. If breaks down, I should mean down or 126, wait for retest, and if the retest pass, that means price will be less than 126. Okay, then go for short. Plain and simple. Short it, guys. And if you short it, the first TP will be, in my opinion, the first TP will take from here to here, and the 50% is 124.79. So short at less than 1.26 and take profit will be sorry guys, I need to mark it again. This box 50% I am targeting, so it will be 124.77. 1.2477. That is for the whole week I am expecting. I hope you will make your own arrangement for the risk management. So please be careful. Don't put everything based on my analysis. Make your own analysis, and hope it works, because I'm expecting this imbalance of the market should be taken out first, because the market needs liquidity. All liquidity has been taken out, you guys. Can you guys see? A lot of time it has came. Take out the liquidity. In daily it will be more easy to show you guys. Okay, so all the liquidity is gone from here. Maybe it will take the stop loss, try to retest this area, and then it will come down, because on the top we don't have any liquidity left. Of course there is a little bit liquidity we are left here, this zone, this candlestick, whatever you say, is around 127 to 80 pips we have here liquidity, but once it we are seeing that a few of that has been taken out by this guy also. So the only liquidity left here, if we draw even in 4 hours, is only this area. This is the area liquidity has been left. So let me mark it, so you guys don't get confused why the price is moving up, so you don't get with the false notion. This is the area where the market price need to be taken out at the same time. So once it goes up, taken out the liquidity, it will come down like anything, and try for this. From here, as the weekly liquidity or the imbalance is far away in compared to this red one, so I am expecting the price to come here. Thank you very much. And another thing you guys can do for your analysis, please, you can take a trade, short trade on the top, this area. Here you can take a short trade with a 10 pips of stop loss. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like and comment.